It's Monday, March 9th, 2020. I've got a signal sent out, code 7 signal on the HSI to short at 24,920 right here. Signal has been sent out. I've got my orders ready to go. Going to take another code 7 signal on the HSI. Just going for a quick 180 ticks. Okay, I realized I made a mistake on the limit order there, so I've changed it to 24,740 for 180 tick profit. Trade will activate when it hits 24,920. Almost there now. Okay, trade's about to get activated. It just did. Okay, it went off at market. The order will disappear here. These two orders will be left now. These are my two orders, so I'm in the trade. Let's see where I'm in at. I'm in the trade at 24,907, and my order was set for looking 24,920. So I took a hit there on the market order of 13 tick hit, but is because it was really moving, and it's probably going to drop out here and go hit 180 ticks relatively quickly. I could go for more very easily. I could go for more, and I probably should. But if you, here's the thing though, here's the mathematics of it. If you just go for 180 ticks on each one of the signals, whether it be YM or HSI, you will hit it most of the time. So yes, you'll give up the ones that go 400, 500, 600. This is true. But if you hit it every time, you know what that equals per month? It equals well over 2,000 ticks per month on either the HSI or the YM. Well over. So it's either 180 ticks or break even. You play it that way, which is a really good way to play it, mathematically speaking. You'll make well over 2,000 ticks for the month, and that's what I call making money. And so I'm just going to go for the 180 ticks here. Probably mathematically could get more, but again, I just want to take each signal and go for 180, because mathematically speaking, if I do that every time, I will score just a consistent move ahead, more and more and more, which is what I really want. So I'm in the trade, and I will come back and show you the outcome of the trade. Hopefully it won't take very long. This trade, this signal here, is getting somewhat close to target at 740. Got the order set to 24,740 on the limit. It is getting close to that limit. I'm seriously considering going for more. It's most likely going to go quite a bit more here. The thing is that I just, mathematically speaking, if you just take 180 ticks on every signal, you basically hit almost every one of them. And even though you give up ticks, because you could have made more, still, a lot of times you'll just get out for the 180. It'll go back the other way, and so you'd make 180. If you went for more than that, you wouldn't make it. So a lot of times that happens. And then, just mathematically speaking, when you win every trade like that, it really just helps you just relax into the next one, and then you hit that one, and then you just relax into the next one, and then you hit that one, and then, you know what? It is really, it's not perfect, but it is. This is the only way to trade. It really is. This is so much better. This is so much easier on you to just be able to relax in these trades and then hit them. And 180 ticks is like the sweet spot on them. Now I could, on this particular circumstance right here, right now, I could probably get quite a bit more because the market is poised to go down even more here. But, when you go for more than 180, your mathematics, guess what happens? Your mathematics gets reduced. And if you just always keep the math high, and you can hit the 180, right? All you do then is up your contracts. You don't need to hit more ticks. You just need to hit more with more contracts. That's all. And all of a sudden, you shoot the math up really super high as far with respect to how much money you're making. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm just going for 180, even though I feel like going for more. But I'm just going to go with the high math. Go for 180 here. I'll be out soon enough. Only got 45 ticks for it to come down here, and I'll be out. So, watching lift gap down pretty hard here, all the way down to 32.60 right now. I've got a code 4 signal on lift to go short. It was a code 4 last one and a code 4 now again. So actually been doing really super well on lift. Got a couple clients for lift, and yeah, it's really, you know what, the buying opportunity that only comes maybe once every 10 years is coming. And for those of us who've got some cash on the sidelines, we're going to be able to invest here and get the bottom and ride it all the way back up again. I'm not sure where the bottom's going to come at yet, but we could go down quite a bit more. We could be hitting 18,000 here. So if that comes, I'll be ready to pull the trigger with just about everything everything that I've allocated for investment purposes. Pull the trigger with all of it and go straight in. But anyway, I'm looking for, I'll be following code 4, but I am looking for 3 moves down. This move here is the second move. It's the second move, and hopefully the second move isn't done yet because I need to go down some more. And like the second move might be good down to about, let's say maybe 24,000 on the HSI. It's at 24,836 now, maybe down about 24,000 on its second move down. And then on its third move down, maybe, well, we'll see what happens on its second move. How about second move down to about 23, and then third move down to about maybe 19. And that's when on the third move down, when it looks its absolute scariest, and it moves down the most during the market hours, during one session on the market hours, during the USA market hours, and it moves down the most of all during that one session period. On the third move down, that's where I'm going to go all in and buy. That will basically be the bottom, and it'll look really super scary when it comes. Believe me, you will be scared out of your mind to buy. It will seem like suicide to buy. Really, it will. And just know when you do, actually, you don't have to do it like I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it because I want to ace the bottom. But you can just wait for it to bounce. On that third ride down, moves down big, wait for it to start bouncing. You'll see the chart just start going up. It won't stop. It'll just keep going. Just jump in somewhere. Don't be afraid. Wait for it to bounce on the chart. If you need to wait for a day or two, wait. Go ahead. But it's just going to go up, 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 up. That's what will happen. But first, it's going to crash down. We're going to make it crash. So I'm a big buyer at 18,000, 19,000. I'd love to see 16,000. But in order to do that, we'd need to get another big ride down, like another 4,000 tick ride down. I know I should be talking about the YM. The YM's at 24,005. So let's say Get the YM down to like about 23, so that's another 1500 down. And then on the third move, from 23 down to about 19 or so, get a big move down, like a 3,000 tick move down during the USA market session. So within like maybe a 3 or 4 hour period. And it won't even take that long. Drop like 2,000 ticks in 30 minutes. 2,000 ticks in 30 minutes. That'll be the final one. And you're going to buy, or I'm going to buy, a 2,000 tick drop in 30 minutes on the stock market off the third one that has gone down, the third leg down. We already went through the first one. That's 4,000 ticks down. We're going through the second one now. We'll see how far it goes. I'd say maybe, I'm not sure, but hopefully like 3,000 ticks down. And then the fourth one already proceeded like 2,000 ticks down before the market opens, and then another 2,000 ticks down when the market opens. And do it quickly. 2,000 ticks down within 30 minutes. So, it's going to be scary. Really scary. Like the world's coming to an end. The market's going to drop out. It's all over. That kind of scary. That's when I'm going to pull the trigger. And I'm going to go all in. So, but I also have the code 4 as well. But I don't need it. Once that happens, I'm going to go all in. Now, if that doesn't happen, then I'll just simply use the code 4 and all the other codes that I have. But anyway, there's a good chance, very good chance, that it will happen. Because they are pumping this coronavirus thing, to the moon. I mean, just it's kind of hilarious, but they want to pull it back hard here, scare everybody, get all the weak, shake out the apples, and then go right back up again and leave everybody in the dust who got out. They'll never get back in again. They got fooled. It'll shoot. I mean, when I say it'll shoot up thousands of ticks in just a few days, and then a week, and it'll go up even more, and then it'll just keep going and go all the way back up to the top again of 29,700 in not that long of a time, within a year, even less. So the buying opportunity that only comes around maybe once every 10 years is coming. And in irony, while I'll be buying, there will be a whole bunch of people out there who will be bailing out and selling, scared out of their minds, because they will see their money just dwindling away super fast. And on the final day, when it dwindles down 2,000 ticks in 30 minutes, that'll scare them to death. They'll say, oh no, I can't write this down to zero. I've got to get out with something. And they'll get out. It'll bounce. They'll never get back in again. And they'll be left. Okay? Just want to tell you how things really work. And what's really going to happen. Okay? The buying opportunity comes around maybe once every 10 years. Is coming. Get ready for it. By the way, I am looking at the YM and have been looking at it for a while. I've been out of the trade that I was in earlier. I haven't re-entered yet. I don't have a signal yet, but it appears to be halted. Yeah, they've got it halted here, and they've got it halted because it's gone down like 1,300 ticks, I believe it is, and so many percent, 7%. And they halt it. So yeah, it's halted right now. I'm not sure how long it's going to be halted for, and what will happen at the open. But yeah, it's going to be really big for all of us traders to make money from this. I mean, it is, this doesn't come around every day, and it is really, really big opportunity for us. Seriously considering going for more here. I mean, if the market is halted on the YM, usually what always happens when a market gets halted or a stock gets halted, it'll go down right when it gets right when it opens. It'll just go down, and it's probably going to do that here. It's probably going to open up and go down. But at the same time, it's hard for me to imagine going down 1,300 ticks and not bouncing. So I don't know about the YM here, what exactly it is going to do. And I really would like to just get out of this trade for 180 ticks. Play my high math, get out, and get ready for the next one. Yeah, I mean, these signals are really great because they teach you the patience and the discipline. You just play it, and it just works over and over again. It's really, I think it's the best way to trade. Every trader should be doing these signals here. Code 5, Code 6, Code 7, Code 5 and Code 7 in particular, those two. But Code 4 also very, very good. It's just that only like one of them comes around a month, but still it's very, very good though. Anyway, I'll be back. Trade is approaching target here of 24,740. Getting close. 14 ticks, 12 ticks. Getting close to exit. Just going to take, I'm not quite 180 ticks because my entry was a little bit messed up because of the market order that I use. But I always use market orders. Sometimes you get it better than what you would. Sometimes it's worse, and it doesn't matter though when you know the codes. Anyway, it came close right there. Didn't quite hit, so take a little bit longer. I'll come back. Okay, it just took a dive down and got me out there. So I am now out of the trade, and I did have 250,000 Hong Kong dollars, and so now I've got 316,000 for today. So that's what 66,000 profit for today, or on that trade, I mean. Anyway, as you can see, these signals are just they are just nothing short of absolutely mind-boggling, unbelievable, actually. They're really, really something. Being able to win trade after trade after trade like this is just, what can you say about it? It's just, it's a whole new world of trading. For those of you who really want to make money at the market, really need to, whatever, this is the way right here. This is so much better than the smaller codes. I'll keep posting these videos for you so that you can see them and you can see what I'm saying is true. And I won't teach them. I'll only send out the signals. So anyway, hope you traders are doing well, and I'll be back with more trading and of course more signals. Another signal will come again today on the YM, and I will take that one as well. Code 7.